National President ke National People's Party Conrad ki sangma ubadiru menteri rangba ke jela Meghalaya ula pentim baka National Election Committee ke NPP kandang syong bandrai Halor ke jing ajimut balapha da ke State Committee hakabe day bat ulani ka Kyrtong ban Ïakhun ya ke election Kyrteng samoy na Gambegre constituency. Conrad la pentip ya kanie haba jubab ya ke jingkeli la ke NPP kala menjori ka Kyrteng jong ka Kurim jong u ke Dr. Mehtab Chandi sangma ban long ke Kyrtong. Ulang baladap yo ya ke jing ajimut na ke State Election Committee ke NPP Henry ke National Election Committee kandang syong ban Ïakren ban syem ya karai. Ulang bakani ka kam kadang day ke bampat la ban pentip pajba.
Well, we have received a recommendation from the State Committee of the National People's Party, but the National Committee has not yet sat down. So only once the National Committee sits down will the proposal that has been sent by the State Committee be finalized. So we are still waiting for that. So it will be difficult for me to give a reply right now.
What is the recommendation?
I can't tell you that. That's confidential. Well, are you part of NPP? Are you a member?
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la Ïakhun diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.